The Intersolar 2024 exhibition in Munich was a remarkable event, showcasing significant advancements in the solar energy sector. This year's exhibition featured over 1,500 companies from around the world, each presenting the latest innovations in photovoltaics, solar thermal systems, and solar power plants. The event was highly successful, drawing more than 55,000 visitors, including industry professionals, investors, and enthusiasts. Attendees were captivated by cutting-edge developments such as high-efficiency solar panels, AI-driven energy management systems, and innovative energy storage solutions. A notable highlight was the emphasis on integrating renewable energy technologies into smart grids, enhancing energy efficiency and sustainability. In addition to the extensive exhibition, Intersolar 2024 hosted a series of insightful conferences and workshops. These sessions provided valuable opportunities for learning and collaboration, covering critical topics like policy developments, market trends, and future directions in solar technology. The success of Intersolar 2024 underscored the rapid progress in the solar industry and reflected a strong global commitment to sustainable energy solutions. This year's event set a new standard for innovation and participation, highlighting the growing momentum towards renewable energy sources. Among the standout participants was SunPower, presenting high-efficiency solar panels and robust energy storage solutions tailored for various applications, from homes to industrial complexes. Runergy introduced high-efficiency photovoltaic modules designed to maximize energy output, even in low-light conditions, while Etion showcased advanced solar panels, inverters, and energy management systems, all geared towards optimizing solar energy utilization in residential and commercial settings. Tongwei impressed attendees with their state-of-the-art solar cells and modules, engineered for maximum energy yield and efficiency. Jalawood's windproof HT132N module captured attention for its superior reliability and efficiency, a testament to the strides being made in durable solar technology. Kalyan demonstrated a suite of innovative solar products, focusing on high-efficiency photovoltaic modules and integrated solar energy systems. Recom highlighted their Recomlion series of PV modules, known for their advanced technology and durability under diverse environmental conditions. ICO unveiled their Generation 3 Comet series, boasting a world record power conversion efficiency of 25.2%, setting a new benchmark in solar panel performance. eSolar's high-efficiency solar panels and advanced photovoltaic systems also garnered significant interest, designed to maximize both energy output and reliability. Sonnencraft captivated the audience with a stunning array of solar innovations. Their display was a testament to cutting-edge technology, featuring crystalline modules that harnessed the sun's power with remarkable efficiency, alongside advanced lithium-based batteries designed for optimal energy storage. Visitors were drawn to the sophisticated photovoltaic modules and solar collectors, each engineered to maximize energy capture and conversion. A highlight of their presentation was the distinguished Kyoto Solar brand. Sonnencraft proudly emphasized the exceptional quality and meticulous craftsmanship of these products, all proudly bearing the hallmark, "Made in Austria." This dedication to local value creation shone through, reflecting the brand's commitment to reliability and excellence in the realm of renewable energy. IBC Solar, meanwhile, was lauded for their sustainable exhibition design, achieving 98% recyclability and setting a standard for waste reduction and resource conservation. Kranich Solar displayed a comprehensive array of photovoltaic products tailored to diverse market needs, focusing on high-efficiency panels and innovative mounting systems. Sunbrush demonstrated their latest automated cleaning systems for solar panels, ensuring optimal efficiency by keeping panels free of dust and debris. Haru's advanced tracking systems and bifacial solar panels, which capture sunlight from both sides, and Tree Systems' innovative mounting solutions for challenging environments also captured the audience's imagination. Goldbeck Solar showcased turnkey solutions for large-scale projects, highlighting their prowess in project management and engineering. GP Joule highlighted their integrated approach to renewable energy, blending solar, wind, and green hydrogen, while PVH focused on advanced solar tracking systems to optimize panel angles and maximize energy capture. Schletter introduced their new generation of mounting systems, catering to both residential and commercial installations. Zimmerman's floating solar solutions demonstrated the benefits of installing solar panels on water bodies, reducing land use and enhancing panel efficiency through cooling effects. SL Rack's high-quality, easy-to-install mounting systems and Ortico's advanced pile driving machines for large-scale installations also drew significant attention. OBO Betterman showcased electrical installation systems crucial for solar power plants, while Profilotomy presented custom-designed structural solutions for solar installations. Solar Steel highlighted their efficient mounting solutions designed to speed up installation and cut costs. Launch Europe displayed advanced diagnostic and monitoring tools, emphasizing real-time system performance. Legic Hardy-Barth and Matic Group both focused on smart charging solutions for electric vehicles integrated with solar power systems, demonstrating the seamless creation of sustainable energy ecosystems. Cathrien's cutting-edge communication solutions for smart grids and Ingeteam's high-efficiency inverters and energy storage systems illustrated the importance of advanced connectivity and power conversion technologies in modern solar installations. BayWa's comprehensive display emphasized their commitment to global sustainable energy projects. Enphase captivated visitors with their cutting-edge microinverter technology and sophisticated energy management systems. Their stand buzzed with live demonstrations of the Enphase energy system, highlighting its remarkable efficiency, safety, and scalability tailored for both residential and commercial applications. Dina took the stage with a focus on initiatives driving renewable energy adoption and efficiency. Their informative stand delved into various programs and policies aimed at fast-tracking Germany's transition to sustainable energy, shedding light on global impacts. Fronius mesmerized the audience with an array of innovative products, including the futuristic Fronius Verto and Cymo 24 SC 12 kilowatts. Interactive displays and an augmented reality game allowed attendees to explore their solutions for long-term, efficient energy use in a fun and engaging way. GoodWe emphasized reliability in their new generation of hybrid inverters. Sungrow brought to life their advanced inverters and energy storage systems, showcasing innovations designed for both utility-scale and residential solar solutions. Their commitment to efficiency and sustainability shone through every demonstration, capturing the imagination of the audience. SMA emphasized their latest inverter technology and smart energy management solutions. Cameo introduced modular energy storage systems that exemplify flexibility and scalability. Their stand featured solutions adept at meeting the demands of both residential and industrial applications, emphasizing ease of installation and high efficiency. MTU showcased a comprehensive suite of energy systems, including reliable backup power solutions and cutting-edge microgrids. Their advanced battery storage systems, integrated into hybrid power solutions, illustrated a harmonious blend of reliability and innovation. Phenacon revealed their next-generation energy storage solutions, focusing on modular and scalable battery systems that cater to varying energy needs from small homes to large enterprises. Varta drew attention with their compact and efficient home energy storage solutions. These advanced battery systems are designed for seamless integration with solar PV installations, emphasizing reliability and cutting-edge technology. Store presented battery storage solutions renowned for their high efficiency and reliability. Their stand highlighted the seamless integration of these systems with renewable energy sources and smart grid applications, showcasing a future where energy management is both smart and sustainable. CATL, Contemporary Amperex Technology, dazzled with advancements in battery technology, spotlighting high energy density and safety. Their solutions, spanning electric vehicles to large-scale energy storage systems, underscored a commitment to pioneering innovation. E3DC introduced integrated energy storage solutions tailored for home and business use. Their all-in-one energy storage units, designed for efficiency and ease of use, stood out as exemplars of modern energy management. IDI focused on smart energy management with advanced monitoring and control systems for solar installations. Their integration of IoT technologies promises optimized energy use, ushering in an era of intelligent energy solutions. Pylon-Tech showcased high-performance lithium-ion battery solutions for both residential and commercial energy storage. Their stand emphasized reliability and efficiency, marking a significant leap in energy storage technology. BYD presented a spectrum of battery storage solutions and electric vehicle technologies. Their diverse range of products, aimed at enhancing efficiency and sustainability, highlighted the future of energy storage in both residential and commercial spheres. Intersolar 2024 was a beacon of innovation and collaboration, illustrating the tremendous strides being made in solar technology. Each company's unique contributions collectively push the boundaries of what's possible in renewable energy, heralding a brighter, more sustainable future.